Hi, children. This is Mr. Lorenzo speaking. Here we are again, this time with something new. First of all, I would like to wish all of you to be fine. And I want also to send you my best wishes because we haven't talked after the Easter holidays, at least not all of us. Um, I hope you had a great time and now you are ready to start again on our adventures. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the reader, the ebook, and you had fun doing the exercises. Well, as you remember, before we stopped for the holidays, you had the chance to watch a video about the differences between climates and weather. Well, this is what we're going to work on today. So you will need to open your pupils' books and go to page 80. We'll be talking about changing climate. As you probably saw in the video, climate is changing, and this is because of human activity. Well, we are going to work a little bit on some of the vocabulary that we are going to come across in this text. Okay, and then we will have the chance to listen to the text and discuss it. The words that we're going to work on are average, climate, degrees Celsius, desert, dry, extreme, mild, and minus. You know some of them, and we'll be talking about them and about some others that you might not know. So, first of all, let's see what we mean when we say average. I have an example for you. The average temperature in Greece in summer. To find the average of a number, we have to gather the temperature, for example, here. Okay, I have taken the temperature of 3 summer months, June, July, and August. So the temperatures in June in Greece are about 24 degrees Celsius. In July, the temperatures are about 28 degrees Celsius. And in August, the temperatures are about 27 degrees Celsius. So, to find the average of a number, we do the following sums. We add the numbers. 24 plus 28 plus 27 equals 78. And then, since I have 3 months, I divide them by 3. I divide the number that I have found by adding by 3. 78 divided by 3 gives us the number 26. So 26 is the average temperature in Greece in summer, okay, because 24, 28, 27 gives us 26 on average. The second word is the word climate. By now, you know what it is. It's the year-round weather in a place. Okay, not the weather today or yesterday, but the total of the weather. Okay, so the year-round weather in a place. An example here. In deserts, the climate is hot and dry. Okay, Greece has a mild climate, which means that it's not extreme. Okay, there is not too much cold or too much heat. So Greece has a mild climate. Okay, yesterday probably we had rain. Okay, or tomorrow it might be cold, but the average temperature is low, the climate is mild. Okay, the year-round weather in a place. Now, degrees Celsius. It's the number that tells us how cold or how hot a place is. The number that we use to talk about temperature. So you can see here that we have a thermometer and it gives us the temperature, the outside temperature. You see that here we have degrees Celsius and here we have degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we here in Greece use degrees Celsius. An example, today the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. 27 degrees Celsius. This is what we use to show the temperature. Okay, not so low, but I couldn't find a way to use it here. We all know what a desert is. A desert is a big place with sand and no rain. You can see it here. An example, the Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. The Sahara is also a dry place, which means a place without rain. Also, dry means not wet. So we have two examples of dry areas here, of dry places. The desert and another dry place. You can see that it hasn't rained for a long time. That's why the ground is just like this. So, example, deserts are dry areas full of sand. Now, the word extreme. When we speak of extreme weather conditions, we mean that the weather conditions are not normal. For example, if temperatures here in Athens drop to about 10 degrees below zero, it's extreme weather conditions, okay? It's not normal. Also, if in Russia, which is a cold country, temperatures reach 40 degrees Celsius, that is too high, you understand that this is an extreme temperature. So for weather conditions, when we characterize weather conditions as extreme, that means that they are not normal. And the same can be said about temperature. So extreme temperatures means that temperatures are either too low or too high. An example here, because of the climate change, okay, you understand the fact that over the last few years, climate has been changing. We see extreme weather more often than in the past. You have heard of this, okay? So you can see an example of extreme weather conditions here. By contrast, the word mild is a word that characterizes a climate which is not too cold or too hot. For example, here in Greece, we have mild weather, not extreme weather. Mild is the opposite of extreme. So you can see the example here. Greece has mild winters, neither too cold nor too hot. Okay, and here you can see in the picture that the weather is mild here. Minus. I suppose that you know this word. We use it to speak of temperatures. So minus means that the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. The symbol that we use is this one. All right. So you can see here, can you see the thermometer? The temperature is below 0. So it's minus 2 degrees, 6 degrees Celsius, something like this. Yes, here it's 0. So it's minus 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you can see how much snow here. So the example, in Russia, temperatures in winter can be even minus 40 degrees Celsius. Minus 40 degrees Celsius. Now, this is the end of the content word presentation. So I now want you to go to your pupils book, page 80, so that we can start working on the text.